This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Vacation rental. Cute as a button and full of charm, this 3-bedroom/2-bath home offers the perfect seasonal getaway in the heart of Vero Beach. Featuring a split floor plan, this property blends comfort and convenience. Enjoy a spacious fenced backyard with a brick paver patio shaded by beautiful oak trees, ideal for outdoor relaxation. Located in the sought-after country club area, you can stroll or take your golf cart to Royal Palm Pointe's best shops and restaurants, or drive just minutes to Vero's Central Beach with its parks, beaches, boutiques, and dining. Nestled between the river and oceanfront. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.